Blessings of God, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSE Business International Chief Executive Officer, CEO. I hope you are following on videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 322. Before I proceed to chapter number 322, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after being there. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you so much. Chapter number 322 is about how to maintain documents and master lists for an ISO system. In a IO system, document control is very important and imperative, and it needs to be followed up according to the guidelines mentioned in there. The clause number 7.5 of the standards, mostly mentioned in the ISO, for example, 9,000, 14,000, or 45,000, states that we have to make proper documents for the organization for which we have applied the system. For example, we have to have a master list of documents in which we have to mention each document with the reference number and the date of origin and originated by the person. For example, in the master list documents, the Excel sheet, Excel form which we will generate will be consisted of the serial number, the date of the document, the making of the document name, document serial reference number, which we are putting, which is different and should be unique from each other document number, then the department and the personnel who has made that its name, and then comments in the last one. In this way, the master list of documents is generated, and all the documents which are present in the organizations in a controlled way are listed down in the master list of documents. Now, the how the documents, when we wherever we make documents, they need to be controlled. The important thing is control. Control means, for example, I'm thinking about one management department in which there are around 100 documents which need to be maintained. Then, for example, if you would have to make a control number, we have to specify, like, for example, QBI slash MGMT slash like it's like for meetings meeting slash 01. So in this way, the reference number of each document is generated, and in this way, the process goes on. Each document should have their control reference number. Moreover, each department of the organization should have unique abbreviation. For example, in the organization, if there is a marketing department, we have to make it MKT. For example, if the sales department, we have to make SAL. We have to, if there is a management department, we have to make MGM. If we have an inventory department, we can make it INV. If we have a store department, we can make it STR. If we have a operations department, we can make it OPR, and so on. So each abbreviation should be mentioned in the document control when we are talking about the document control. Now, when we are talking about the documents of that department, then we have to use that abbreviation in our document control number. So in this way, it is very easy to trace out the documents for each of the departments. Moreover, when we have to distribute the document, for example, we have made a lot of SOPs, and we have to distribute each SOP according to their department needs to the personas of their department head, so that they can go through that and implement those things in their organization. How will we do it? In the SOPs, we have to have a distribution form in the first page, in which the document name, the person who has received the documents, the date, and the signatures are done, so that we come to know that which documents are distributed to which personas. In this way, the proper control information remains over there, and document is distributed to all the required documents which need to go through that to implement those things in a real effective way. Now, we have to make, sometimes we have to make documents obsolete. We have a new revision of the SOPs comes down, new revision of the forms comes down. We have make it, then we have to obsolete the old document using the obsolete form. In the obsolete form, the all details of the old document name, all document reference number, new document name, and document reference number is mentioned, so that on that day it is officially obsolete also. So when we are receiving the documents in a proper way, the receiving documents should be also used properly, to see that all the documents which are received by each department is recorded over there also. When the personas are sending, we are having record over there also. Those who are receiving them, we have a record over there also. So these are few of the things we have told that how the things are maintained appropriately if we do it in accordingly the guidelines of the document control. If you need more details, summary, analysis, reports, recommendation, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can contact me on my another number at +92 314 639 790. And you can contact me on my three email addresses as amirsultanrana@yahoo.com, amirsultanrana@gmail.com, and contact at QHSEBusinessinternational.com. Even you can reach me on my company website at www.QHSEBusinessinternational.com. Thank you so much.